how to fix Instagram bio link not working. Hello guys, in this video or on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram bio link. So if you have any problem with the bio link, this video is gonna help you a lot. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here, and then go to the apps again here and wait a few seconds. It will start loading. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, and now right here click on the force stop option and go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions from the camera to the storage. Go back again, click on data usage, make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled. Go back and this time go to the power usage details. Make sure the app launch is on manage automatically. This time click on force stop right here again, and now restart your phone and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Hope this video was helpful. If it's not, then you have to check our other videos about this problem. See you later.